So, where are we? Plus 4. So, 1, 3, 1. The next one is 2, 7, 3. The next one is what? 2, 1, 1.
2, 2, 1.
Thank you. This shows that you are following. Thank you very much.
We're all following.
So the next one is minus 5. You are doing the same thing, ignoring the row and column. Hence you have 1, 2, 1, 3, 7, 6, have 4, 3, 5. Is that correct? Yeah. So at this point, what do? We can reduce the 3 by 3 matrix into 2 by 2 individually. Or we can decide to solve it straight. Right? Let's solve this straight. We can solve it if we decide to distribute it. Hope everyone understands what happens here. How we can distribute all of it. If you follow to this to this point, thumbs up. Okay, let's just plug in straight and because if we expand that means we make use of all this board with expanding each and every one of these 3 by 3 matrices. Means that each of them will take at least half of the board. Okay. So let's just do like a kind of let's jump like one step. It's not like we're jumping step, but this is more like the 5th example on this multiplication of matrices. So here, we have here we have 2 into what? Into 2. Okay. Let's have one big bracket here. Here into 2. We are picking 2 now. 6 minus 10. Is that correct? Mm-hmm. Minus, because this is plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus. And here we are having minus 1 into 7 minus 6, right?
Yes.
Plus 2 into what? 35
Minus 18.
minus 18. Good. Good. So we are done with these two, right? Everything that has to do with, we have taken care of this. Right?
Yeah.
So now, let's open up for this. Minus 3. Let's open up a big parenthesis. Hence, you are picking the first one. 1 into this times this. 6.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Minus 1. 3 times 8. Am I correct?
Yes.
We are picking plus 2. Into what? 15 minus 24. So we are done with this. Right? We're done with this. So this third one now is plus 4. We have 1 into 7 minus 6, right? Minus 2 into 3 minus what? Minus what?
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Then the last one there, inside this 3 by 3, will be what? 2 into 9 minus what?
28.
Minus 28. So, we are done with this, right? Is that clear? Good. Let's solve for this last one. Let's do it here. You have minus 5, big parenthesis. You have 1 into 35 minus 18. Is that okay? Minus 2 into what? 15 minus what?
Woo, yeah! 30 hours, baby! Woo! Wow. How we doing, buddy? You doing good? Yeah. Everyone awake?
This one.
Wow.
Yeah. Open circle.
That guy's going off guard. Because he's never done that. He didn't even really yell. It was just a loud, like, I don't feel like it was even that disruptive. You're just like, yeah. We're just dead. I think that's, it's more of a reflection on us just being dead. I get more. 3/4.
You guys are doing amazing. You guys are doing great.
10 more hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
10 more hours to go.
I've never thought that
Can do this.
was a short period of time until now.
Can do this.
Yeah. To be honest, it's okay. Yeah. Use that 39. Back to math.
Okay. Let's continue. So, for this, you have 15 minus 24. Plus 1. We have 9 minus 28, right? Good. So let's simplify further. Let's simplify further. We can do this, right? Okay, so simplify this and let me know what the answer, final answer is. You can do this in 3 minutes. Simplify this and let me know what the final answer is. Now less than 3 minutes to simplify this. Be careful with the signs and the parentheses. All this subtraction there. Just be very, very careful with this, those signs. Can't do it. Less than 3 minutes. So, what's our final answer? What's our final answer? Are we done? Are we done?
Yeah.
What's our final answer?
Negative 87.
Negative 87.
I got minus 200.
let's break this down. Who got the same answer with
minus 87.
the same answer minus 87? Everyone. Let's finish this, then we'll go over to the next topic. Alright? So, I don't know, once I look at this, I'll look at the length. Once I look at the length, I'll be like, So let's take it one after the other, right? So we'll start from here. Look at what we'll do. So we have 2 outside. Here we have 2 into what? Minus 4. Minus 1 into what? 1. Plus 2 into what? 35 times minus 18. What? 17. So we are done with this. What about this? You have minus 3. 1.
Minus 4.
Minus 4 into what? Minus 1 into what?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Plus 2 into what?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. So we are done with this, right? Here we have 4 outside this big parenthesis. 1 into what?
1.
1. Minus 2 into what?
Minus 5.
Good. Plus 2 into what? Negative 9. Negative what?
19.
Okay. So we are done with this. Then for this, you have negative 5. We have 1 into what?
17.
Huh?
17.
17. We have negative 2
Minus 9.
minus 9 into what?
1. Wait.
1 into what?
Negative 19.
Negative 19. So from this, we have 2 big 2. From here to here, simplify this. From here to here, we'll get what? Use your calculator. Plug this in the way it is here.
25.
Minus 3. Plug this in. Plus 4. Plug this in. And plus minus 5. Plug this in. So, what do we have here?
25.
These are calculators. 25. What do you have here?
Negative 17.
What do you have here?
I hope I'm right. Negative 27.
What do you have here?
16.
Good. Now, here we have what? 50 minus, that's a bit plus, 3 times 17.
51.
Huh? 51. 51. Plus 4 times minus 27.
Minus 68.
Minus 68. Minus 16. Minus 5 times 16. 80.
That's not 68.
Minus 80.
Oh, it's 100.
This is not 68.
It's 108, not 68.
Okay. Thank you. 108, not 68. So this is equal to what? So what do we have?
Negative 87.
Negative 87. Is that correct? So did any of you get this?
That is correct.
87. Okay, thank you. We'll go back to the next topic. What's the next topic? What's the next topic?
Inequalities.
Inequalities. Okay. So now, just like I've been saying, equal sign, just like I've said earlier, equal sign is used to describe variables or values that shows that this, what you have here is the same thing as what we have here, and not really like an output, just like I've said. But sometimes, equality and equal sign has some kind of limitations, in the sense that in real world there are some concepts and some expressions that cannot be expressed to be equal to the other. Right? So when we talk about, if we want to talk about maybe that, what do you call it? That maybe this pizza contains more carbohydrates than maybe biscuit. You can see that you cannot say that they are equal. You can say this is contains more carbohydrates or contains more. Or maybe if you want to compare the value of US dollar and Canadian dollars, you know they are not the same. You have to say that this one is less in value than this, right? So with that, you cannot use an equal sign. So you only use the concept of inequalities. Right? So that's why we have greater than or less than. Right? And this is why we have the concept of inequalities. Hence you have greater than, less than. So this is greater than. And this is less than. So, and this is known as strict inequalities. Strict inequalities. This is greater than, this is less than. So mathematically, this actually means, if you say that this is greater than this, mathematically, that x is greater than 5 means that x could be anything from above 5 upwards. This implies that all inclusive but not x. Hence, the value of x could be in this interval 6. Let me draw like a graph. If you have like a graph of this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that 6, 7, 8. It means that the value of x here, because this is the x-axis, right? And this is y-axis. This is the negative y, and this is negative x. Is that correct? So it means that the value of x is from 6 upwards. Is that correct? So the value of x could be what? X could be what?
7.
6 or 7 or 8 continues to infinity. Right? Simply, but if you say that x is less than 5, it means that the value of x has to start from anything below 5. That means from, if you say that x is less than 5, implies that x is, could be what? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Or even minus 1, minus 2, mathematically. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Now, having known this, sometimes you can have some weak inequalities, like greater than or equal to. When you have that this is greater than or equal to, this actually means that that particular value is inclusive. So if I say that x is greater than and equal to here, it means that everything is, the x is inclusive, that it could be x also, right? So we call this weak inequalities. If I also say that this is less than or equal to 5, it means that 5 is also inclusive. Let's go on an 8 minutes break and come back by 2:32. Come back by 2:32, please. Thank you. We'll continue.
It's okay. We eat. So you just for fun. I know we're taking this in process, but Emmanuel, you're a different human being. You don't have
No, it's called bad work. My bad.
this is
I mean, it's pretty cool game.
So let's change that.
Are we changing? Good luck, Emmanuel. You're not tired? That's good. Yeah.